Hello, I'm Susmi Routray, Professor in the area of Information Technology and Management. Over 2 decades, I have been taking technology-based courses. There are some technology courses which are very theoretical in nature. And as a faculty, we all find it challenging to teach theoretical courses to the students. Reason being the perception of the students. Students perceive theoretical courses to be dull and boring. Now, this could stem from the very fact that the students do not understand the relevance of theoretical concepts to the real-world applications. And as a faculty, we have to bridge that gap of understanding so that we are able to make students understand the relevance of theoretical concepts to the real-world application. Today, I'm going to discuss my approach towards designing and delivering theoretical courses. I actually take 3 aspects in mind while designing and delivering a theoretical course. They are 1. Planning and preparation, 2. Engaging with the students, and 3. Reinforcement. Now, it is very important for theoretical courses to plan out well. Now, right from the beginning, right from designing the course outline to coming up with detailed session plan, it is very important that you lay out everything in detail. Now, a detailed session plan is very important for theoretical courses because that helps faculty to understand how they are going to time their session and how they are going to engage the students in the session. But one thing a faculty must remember while designing that detailed plan is you should not put in too much of theoretical concepts into one session because we have to understand it from the student's perspective. Student may not be able to absorb too many theoretical concepts in one session because they have to learn the theoretical concept and they also need to understand the relevance of it with the real world application, and hence one should figure out how much of the concepts the student will be able to absorb in one session. Secondly, the faculty also needs to identify how they will be engaging with the students. So a preparation towards figuring out those materials and putting it into the session plan is very important. Next is engaging with the students. So once you have prepared your session plan, it becomes easier for you to deliver in the class. Now, the general approach to theoretical courses has been you deliver a theoretical concept and follow it up with the examples. But my approach of teaching theoretical courses is a bit different here. I first start with an example. I give a caselet to the student which showcases the relevance of that theoretical concept and the application of that theoretical concept in the real world. And then I start off with the introduction of the theoretical concept. Now, this method actually helps me to engage with the students better because now students are able to connect with the real world application of that theory, and hence a more engaging session emerges out of it, and students are able to visualize that theory in the real world application. Next is group exercise. Once I've completed the theoretical content, I move on to a group exercise. I divide the class into smaller groups and then I give them group exercise, and students, I give them certain questions on that theoretical concept and its application, and the students actually deliberate on it and come up with a discussion. So this whole process makes the learning of theoretical course for a student more relevant, and they are able to appreciate the real world application and they are able to connect the theories with the real world application, and hence makes a class more interesting. Another thing that is very important for theoretical courses is reinforcement. Now, theoretical courses needs reinforcement because students might forget the theoretical concepts very easily, and hence to reinforce their learning, I assign them projects at the beginning of the course, and as I move across from one theoretical concept to the other, I ask the students to apply those theoretical concepts into that project. That helps in reinforcement, and students through the help of repetition are able to reinforce their learning. So this gives a more holistic learning of the theoretical courses. Last but not the least is humor. I add a dash of humor wherever possible because humor keeps the class lively, active, and students are very attentive. Thank you.